Hey everybody, I just want to take a minute to discuss how we clean in most facilities when I talk about highly touch objects, and then beyond that, what do we do in a pandemic or an outbreak situation such as COVID-19 or even normal influenza like we've had in the past. Seems like we always have that flu season, and maybe it's in a school where we get one or two kids and then all of a sudden it's 30 or 40 kids. What we can do to try and prevent those types of situations. So most clients that are working with us, obviously we've set up their cleaning system to be a cart similar to this. And it's kind of the core of the cleaning program when we talk about cleaning highly touch objects and so forth. And basically it's a pre-treat system that you're all aware of, pre-treated microfiber with appropriate cleaners. We're cleaning and then we're disinfecting, right? Green is clean, red is dead. So, and we move through the facility in that type of fashion. And if there's multiple custodians or housekeepers, they're gonna have multiple carts all set up the same exact way. And they're usually cleaning their own respective areas. So, and that all works pretty good if it's done properly. But what happens when we do get a case of the flu or something like COVID-19? Well, if you're set up this way, there's not a lot different that you need to do. We can simply work together. So instead of having our own respective areas, we can work as a team or work in a cooperative process where we simply take and change out the buckets on our carts. And the only thing that you would need to add is a red bucket, because a red mop bucket, because we don't generally use disinfectants on floors. But in a outbreak situation, we may want to do that. And so otherwise, it's just a matter of switching the carts so that we've got one cart for cleaning, and the person that would go through the area or through the building first would use the cleaning cart. We'll go through and clean all surfaces indiscriminately of whether or not they're highly touch objects or not. And then the second person would come through and do the same exact thing, but we'd be using a disinfectant cleaner to disinfect all the surfaces indiscriminately, whether they were highly touch objects or not. And so it's really that simple to go from our daily cleaning process to a pandemic response process or whatever you may want to call it. But it allows us to be set up on a daily basis, but have our pandemic response plan built into our cleaning program with just a couple little tweaks. So I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you.